Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Welcome to the weekend here. Weather-wise, it's going to turn out okay, especially the temperatures, but there might be a little fog to get things started Saturday morning, maybe again Sunday morning as well. And a few spots could be a little thick. I'll show you where it's most likely to happen. 42 overnight in Detroit. The darkest grays on here are where the fog's the thickest. So we'll stop in the morning out by Lansing, over toward Flint, and then around Detroit, maybe Mount Clemens as well. Again, you can see here Algonac to Mount Clemens down into Detroit, especially Wyandotte downriver out toward Monroe. There could be some spots near the lakes there that are a little thicker than other areas. Take a little time to burn off. So it's worth the wait. 63 and partly sunny at least. There'll be some spots, I think, on the west side of town where it's mostly sunny. So a good Saturday, warming up around here, well above average. Almost 10 degrees. Then it is 10 degrees warmer on Sunday, 65, 67 Monday, 62 Tuesday. But it looks like Sunday there could be a little fog and get started, then maybe a shower late in the day, especially after about 3 or 4 o'clock. Have a good weekend and enjoy the warmer weather.